You're looking for bulbs, replacement bulbs, G25, non-dimmable, 5 watt, 5000 Kelvin. We're going to show you what the bulbs look like and what they're about. MAXvolador makes a bulb. They're 5 watt, 5000 Kelvin, and they're G25s. They are plastic and a nice large round bulbs. E26 socket. We're going to show you how nicely they are packaged in the box. As we opened up, you have an instruction guide and 4 bulbs. They're excellent for a nice large lamp, for nice large openings, giving a nice glow of 5 watts. An overhead view of the bulb from a small bulb to a globe 25 gives a nice accent to your fixtures. Replacement bulbs in the bathroom. Old style bulbs to the nice globe 25. As all the bulbs are replaced, gives you an idea what it looks like lit up. These are the bulbs. They decorate living room, bathroom, hallways, wherever you need to put a bulb in the fixture that gives you a nice large type bulb. I hope you enjoy the product if this is something that you are looking for in the bulb fixture. As you can see what it looks like without the lights lit up and then the lights turned on. And that's what the lights look like. Enjoy your product if these are right for you. A set of 4, a set of 10, from 27,000 Kelvin to 6,000 Kelvin. Enjoy your product if this is right for your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.